అవతల
ఉన్నారు కదా ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్
ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ అంతా. చూడటం లేదు, అందరినీ తీసుకున్నాం.
వెల్కమ్ సార్.
నేనే తిప్పాల్సింది వస్తుంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
చూసుకోండి.
So, welcome sir. Welcome to our Director Professor AVSS Kumarswamy Gupta Garu and Ramapalli sir and the department and all our executive committee. Firstly, thank you for taking your precious time on this auspicious day and joining us for the inauguration of the club. So, this day we are a big start and new beginning of our very own clubs. This isn't something we started yesterday or a week before. This is something which was existing from a decade or maybe little more. So today we have a remarkable start for this journey. And this started from a line, a small three-word line. What is Abhiyan? So that question mark led to the mark of a remarkable debut. So for those who don't know, what are clubs? They are the driving force led by the university students themselves. The body, the structure, and the benefits are all students. Basically, clubs are growing angels. They don't expect anything in return except for happiness and self-satisfaction. To keep it in official words, a club is to bring like-minded people together to connect and educate. First, a sense of community and belonging, and also pursue a build of individual skills and build tangible experience. There are just groups of individuals with cheerleaders that gather for growth, learning, and connection. So, keeping it simple, the main aim of the club is to focus on social good and building a better citizen. Why do we need to join clubs? For better interaction and network, to sharpen our skills and foster a great future. We, to have a better future, we need to have a great skill set. And
ఇదంతా ముందు వేసేదాన్ని ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్గా ఉంది.
ఎట్లా వచ్చినా పర్లేదు, మనకైతే కనబడైతే కనబడలేదు. ఫోన్ హీట్ అయింది అనుకో మధ్యలోనే ఆగిపోతుంది. బ్రైట్నెస్ తర్వాత పెట్టుకున్నా కానీ మనకు వీడియో క్లారిటీ అట్లే ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఫోన్ హీట్ అయింది అనుకో
So everyone, I would like to request you to keep a little bit calm and hold your peace until they speak and say it out. Thank you.
చూసుకో
పొజిషన్స్ మార్చేస్తారు పొజిషన్
మన పొజిషన్
Ladies and gentlemen, the warm wishes to honorable director sir and respected officials. And we are proud to present the most interesting and amazing club of institution, the Primavera UPSC Club. The UPSC Club is very familiar to everyone, but our club differs. We bring the hope of light to darkness of your preparation. The vision and vision and output are followed by our coordinators.
I am Parika and now I start with the vision of our UPSC club. We aim to provide knowledge, skills and confidence to crack the UPSC exam with a friendly environment. It's our responsibility to concentrate on each and every aspect.
ఫ్రేమ్ కరెక్ట్గానే పెట్టాం కదా.
అవును కాకుంటే అందరూ ఫోకస్ కాదు
We develop
ఒక్కొక్కరు
our
ఒకరు
as an officer. Last but not the least, we wanted to increase the number of UPSC aspirants from our RGKT. Let's discuss about activities now.
I am Shreya. Here I am going to explain about the activities of our club. We will be conducting regular weekly sessions to make you assistant, clearing your courage to make you confident, and getting testing your efforts of learning through interactive quizzes, and we will be conducting the required resources of the requirements as well as you, and we will be conducting interactive quizzes to make you and we will be ensure you have a correct of knowledge in group discussion, and we will be providing you the newspaper and current affairs of the analysis as well. And interestingly, we will be having the motivational speeches that collecting aspects that drive you to original regularly. Here is the output. And there is first we will ensure that we provide knowledge from initial stage to stage. Then we will have a grip on a basic topic, and also we make sure that no aspect will stop at any step. And also we come up with responsibilities that will start changing in an equal manner. And finally, let's work together to find our success.
Thank you. And now I would like to request private secretary to come out with us.
ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఫుల్గా తీసేస్తానే కొంచెం
I want to thank you for respected director, teacher, and my dear fellow colleagues. I am Joy Anshikam, and I am from Saraswati Division. We will like to discuss our motive, activity, and our final goal of our club. Our main motive is to cultivate a culture of cybersecurity awareness, education, and innovation among the students. And we want to prepare students for the upcoming challenges and opportunities in the digital age. We have designed some club activity for students, like we have created training sessions, which will give hands-on experience, and they will provide you gain knowledge on what cybersecurity is. And we have discovered different domains on cybersecurity, which will help you in protecting your job. And our clubs are designed to create a community of cybersecurity professionals who are intended to land the project in cybersecurity. By joining this club, you can get enhanced cybersecurity knowledge and skills, the hands-on experience with the cybersecurity tools, and you can get successfully placed in the cybersecurity internships and jobs. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. And now I would like to request Mary Club to come on to the dance. We don't have equal talent, but we have equal opportunity to develop it. And I am Neeraj Kameshwar from CSC, and we are here to speak about AI Club. మీరు ఏ అనేది చాలా చూస్తూనే ఉంటారు. మన మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్లో కావచ్చు, లేక ఫిజికల్ క్లాస్ కావచ్చు, అండ్ మెడికల్ డయాగ్నోసిస్లో కావచ్చు, చాలా కేసులు మనం ఈ మధ్య చూస్తూనే ఉన్నాము. అండ్ అది జస్ట్ యూజ్ చేయడం మాత్రమే కాకుండా అది క్రియేట్ చేయడం చాలా మంది ఉంటుంది కదా. సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళందరికీ ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడానికే ఈ ఓకేనా. ఏమన్నా యాక్టివిటీస్ చూస్తే వాళ్ళు జీవనాలు అయినా సరే, వాళ్ళు బిజినెస్ అయినా, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అయినా సరే, అందరికీ కంటెంట్ సెట్ చేశాను. అండ్ కాంపిటీషన్ బిజినెస్ అనేవి యాక్టివ్గా జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ నుంచి సెమినార్స్ అండ్ వర్క్షాప్స్ అనేవి కూడా జరుగుతాయి. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ రియల్లీ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అండ్ ప్యాషనెట్ అబౌట్ ఏ దిస్ క్లబ్ ఇస్ యువర్ బెస్ట్. సో
మా ఫైనల్ గోల్ వచ్చేసి ఏంటంటే, మన కాలేజ్ నుంచి చాలా మంది ఏ ఇంజనీర్ కావాలనేది మా ఫైనల్ గోల్. మన కాలేజ్ నుంచి కూడా ఒక ఫుల్లీ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్ అడ్వాన్స్ ఏ అప్లికేషన్ కావాలనేదే మా గోల్. అట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇయర్ we have planned to develop a application. So if you are interested, then club is yours. Thank you.
My name is actually is on a machine to understand the facilities of intelligent education. Inspiring minds to push their body of what possible, their previous capture audience with depth of learning from science fiction to reality, inviting all to the kind the advantage of shaping tomorrow's world with innovation, imagination and data of magic. Thank you for all.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And now I will request this programming class to come on with it.
వెనకలు చూడు ఒకసారి.
Honorable Director Sir, respected faculty and all my dear friends, my name is Srishan from CSC. I am your Business Programming Club. I start with my motto, which is to gather like-minded individuals with same enthusiasm together and make them, give them a perfect guidance with a positive community. You all know that programming is a very vast ocean, but I am damn sure that our club will make you dive deep in it. Okay, programming club till now it was running for only CSC branch, but guess what? From there as a support, we are expanding to the more branch. Thank you. Good evening everyone. I am Krishnavartan from YouTube. I am here to explain about the structure and the benefits of our programming club. Programming club is one of the most successful clubs till today from past 8 months. It is containing more than 200 plus students only from A1 and A2 CSC. Now coming to the structure of our programming club consists of 3 domains. They are vector, data structure and data science. For each domain, there will be 2 sessions. For the first session, there will be one team will view the live presentation and explain the concepts in more detailed point of view. And for the next session, there will be live projects and based on those concepts which discussed from the past few days. This is the basic structure of our programming club. Now coming to the basics of our programming club, you can mainly improve your programming skills, communication skills, and presentation skills, etc. Thank you.
Good evening all. This is Martin from CSC. You heard about what is our club, what we have done, and I am just listening to all what we are going to do. Initially we started our programming class with only A1 and A2 CSC, but now
I would request fashion design team to come out to the dance.
A pleasant evening to our honorable chief director, faculty, and all present here. The main motto to start this hobby to express my represent ourselves and leave your passion. No, there is no kind of passion. Passion is an art. It is an art of self-expression, which is constantly adopts and evolves, educating your creation. Let the one knows how attractive and how stylish you are. And also let the world know how careful you are being stylish in fashion design. There are several methods in fashion design. This includes collaborative creativity, cultural regulation, fashion trends, analyzing the trends, future trends. These are several methods.
Whenever you are great at studies and having interest on fashion designing, you can go to various fields on fashion designing like fashion designer, textile designer, pattern maker, stylist, model, etc.
And also the fundamentals of this club are to engage the talent and to find the talent who are very interested in fashion design club, to design more sketches which are very new, and to design technical drawing sketches. Are very keen to collaborate with the fashion design very well fashion designer to gain knowledge.
Here we are concluding with our promise that we the members of Fashion Designing Club will stay consistent with our club. And after improving our club, we make our own designing websites and online marketing also. And finally, one thing, stand out in your own style and always explore the best in you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pastor Jambi. That was the most valuable thing for our world. Now, let me invite the self-community team to come out with us.
Hello everyone, I am here representing the team of SIC, Self-Improvement and Communication Club. So we believe in one thing that if we can improve our life day by day and if we can know how to communicate, we can do anything in this world and can do anywhere in the world. So I'm discussing only about three things about the club. Why, what if. And the first one is why. Why we started this club? We started this club in order to inculcate self-discipline, consistency, and life-changing habits in the life of the student. And the second one is what? What are the activities which we are going to perform in this club? See, the activities which we are going to perform in the club is, first one is 30-day challenge. See, basically what happens in this 30-day challenge is that every person in this challenge has to wake up at 4 a.m. and every person in the club has to uninstall all the social media apps in their mobile, and every person in this challenge has to attend 1 hour of passion session in which everyone will follow their passion in that 1 hour. And the second one is communication program. See, we all face a situation where we have the skill to apply for a job, but due to lack of communication skills, we miss many opportunities. So basically, we decided this program in order to make you 0 to 0 in your communication skills. And I will promise you that you will speak like a king when you come into the dialogue with this program. And the next activity which you are going to perform is that overall sessions. See, basically what happens in these overall sessions is that every person, we conduct seminars. In these seminars, every person in this college from P1 to E4, including faculty, staff, security, every person in this college can attend these sessions. Because we believe in one thing that everyone has to be improved in their life. And the next one is what if? What if we perform all these activities in our college? And the one thing, the only outcome which we get is that a well-developed archery. And we believe in one thing that we are not saying just what. We started the challenge and the challenge was absolutely fantastic. We performed meditation, exercise, sessions which was absolutely fantastic. And these all things was happened with the help of our beloved director sir and our seniors who made this happen. And the next one is our team who worked hard day and night to make this challenge possible. So finally, thank you and see you everyone in our club, because this club will change your life
team and club to come on together.
Hello, a very good evening to our director sir and driver sir and all the members who are in the library. We are innovators. Empower and build innovators. We build innovators and we share the future. And we are exhibits of our innovative club and we will now discuss about our vision, activities and skills. Our main vision and goal is not only app development but also collaboration, social responsibility, and our activities will continue. Activities and computer.
Our main objective is to cultivate the making the inspiring and the talented inspiring, embracing development and technology by using application, aspiring new technology.
Coming to activities, the main activities which will be held in this class are problem solving session. We will conduct problem solving session to make multiple mobile applications. Next workshop, we will conduct workshop to teach user interface and integration of database. Next, game development. We also have interest in game development. I don't know where to start. So we are introducing the game development project for covering meaning and making more. Next, group learning challenges. We will organize group learning challenges to teach all languages such as Java, Kotlin, Flutter, etc. to learn. Lastly, app publishing. We will guide members to learn the process of publishing an app in App Store. The conclusion for our development work would highlight the achievements and skills that are gained by our members and the projects that are offered to be completed and any challenges that can overcome through the skills that are obtained by our club. Now, we are glad to invite you all to improve your skills and stay motivated and build a strong community of app development. Thank you. Thank you, team. Now, I would like to request Green Club Leaders Service Club to come on to us.
Respected director sir and esteemed faculty and all the students who have gathered here. So a very warm wishes to one and all. Firstly, I am Kiran Reddy studying mechanical engineering. So today I am here to talk about the Green Service Club. So firstly, you all think about that Green Service Club is an extracurricular activity. But it has to be noted that it's our commitment to the environment by protecting the environment should be valid. And so this is the opportunity we have to make our environment clean and more sustainable to the future generation. So before this job has been launched before in the EC department by the Janardhan sir. They have planted the trees and each plant has been taken care and they watered and they keep protected by fixing them. So these are the activities organized. So we are wanted to extend to the campus level. So the main objective of our Green Club is to not voluntarily taking the plants and providing them as taking care of the plant and providing water facility to the small club in the hot summer and provide and doing the plantation drive and the plastic everything. But we have to take a scope where we have to positive effect on the environment. We are ready to do that. And next, beyond this opportunity, beyond this initiative, we have the another things like our team has about the things we are doing, and have must be responsibility of what we are doing. And next, we know that the generation has to save our environment wisely, because at least we have been the part of Badwaja.
So let us stand united in our commitment to sustainability, service and education. Let us bring a change efficiency in the world. And let this inspiration be the beginning of a new chapter in our college history. A chapter defined by compassion, activism and shared vision for a better world. And in front of being I promise that we will make this campus a better one with families everywhere and we will take care of every hygiene thing that presents in this campus. Thank you.
Thank you, team, for this slide. Next, I'd like to invite human media guys to make the way for that. Thank you, Human Media Club. Next, I'd like to request Fitness Club to make beyond the lab. Hello, hello. All of you please respond. Hello. Healthy and happy eating to everybody. You are very interested. Okay? Now let's get started. Myself, Sudarshan, representing the Nutrition and Fitness Club Executive. So let's get started. Now let us take an example. We all might have seen Director Sir, Expo Sir, Imran Sir taking a walk daily. The reason they do so is they are well aware of the benefits that come from being fit and healthy. Now fit, what does fitness mean? Fitness is most people think fitness is a complicated word, but this is a simple word. Fitness means being strong and healthy, which comes with bigger mention three things. First one is regularly exercising, and the second one is maintaining a well-nutrition diet. Now the third thing is maintaining a proper sleep cycle. Okay, the vision of our club is to cultivate a supportive environment which makes each
Okay, group conversations like yoga, aerobics, dancing, etc. Next, lifestyle correction classes. The third thing is personalized training, subject to individual personal growth. Now, fourth one is monthly gigs. We will be having different types of competitions like arm wrestling, push-ups, etc. Now, coming to the important major aspect of this nutritional counseling.
Set fitness is also essential in maintaining a proper lifestyle. Nutrition is as much as important and necessary as fitness. Without a proper nutrition, one may fall sick even if they are engaging in regular physical activities. So, to ensure a proper growth in our body, soul, and mind, one must and should prioritize nutrition. So, in our club, apart from fitness, we also focus on nutrition. To ensure that we provide guidelines and counseling on proper nutrition and diet plans according to one's individual fitness goals. So, coming to conclusion, fitness is not just about being muscular, it's also about being healthy and active.
So thank you. And one more thing, most of the colleges don't have this type of fitness and nutrition club, and we are proud to announce that we have taken an initiative and hope this continues forever. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, fitness club. Thank you for your valuable insight. Next, I would like to request competitive exam club to come on to the dance.
This is Prashant from Competitive Club. So guys, let me explain this what is competitive club. As you already aware of that, many of members have become competitive exam. That means we lakhs of students getting competitive exam, but only some hundreds of students only qualify. Why this is happening? Because lack of knowledge, advice from parents, and also some lack of technical goals, and also lack of confidence. But due to this competitive club, our total competitive club will provide three facilities. Like students will provide many book facilities. And guys,
regularly, and this will help the students to avoid the mistakes in the preparation. Next, we will make weekly sessions. In these weekly sessions, our coordinators will take care of each and every member of this club and have a word about how the preparation is going, and we will definitely provide the study materials that is necessary for the preparation of this exam, and we will, if any student feels demotivated in the middle of the preparation, we will definitely boost their confidence. So final conclusion will be given by the executive.
Guys, from PUC, one control and engineering, many students will write all these competitive exams, right or not? So many of students engineering or PUC, for PUC, they will write mainly JEE. And guys, I will 100% give the proper material and 100% guide for to prepare for PUC examinations of JEE NEET, and also for government exams like APPSC, SSC, RRB. I will give 100% information about this government job. I have full information about the complete government job. That is not only this government job, including many government jobs. I will provide information. You will acquire knowledge and guidance by our competitive team 100%. This is my word. That's it.
Thank you, competitive exams club. Next, I would like to request chess club to come on board as.
Good evening, respected directors of the faculty and student secretary. I am Krishna Paria from PUC. I am speaking from PUC. We are here to present the first ever chapter of market. Quick overview of what we are going to discuss. Vision of our club, plan of action of our club, activities of our club, and expected outcome. And firstly, our vision to build and maintain an active chess community and to facilitate a platform for mutual improvement of the game of chess. Bringing this vision into reality, we developed a plan of action which includes inner-friendly sessions where we discuss about foundational principles, tactical awareness, positional concepts, and regular essentials of the game of chess. We also conduct practice matches exclusively for the members of club, along with self-analysis and visual feedback of their games. And we are also planning to integrate advanced tools and platforms such as Elgato, chess for online chess play, and community engagement and game analysis. Coming to the activities of the club, we offer daily puzzles, tactical exercises, positional challenges, and endgame studies and feedback and discussions about the puzzles. One of our main activities of the club is to conduct weekly and monthly tournaments to test your skills in a friendly and competitive environment. By participating in our tournaments, you can measure your progress and gain experience. And concluding the speech, by joining our club, all you can expect study improvement in your strategy and game plan, and personalized growth. Like you can assess your strengths and weakness, and you can also renew your passion for chess. And if you are a person who are participating in state and national level tournaments, you can be highly beneficial. So thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, chess club. Next, I would like to request Pimpin and club to come on board as.
Good evening everyone. A warm welcome to Director Sir and congratulations. A warm welcome to Director Sir. And ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం అన్ని విన్నాం, అన్ని సెమినార్స్ విన్నాం, అన్ని క్లాసెస్ విన్నాం. ఒక ఫార్మాట్ ఏదైనా అంటే గ్రీటింగ్, దాని విషయం, దాని విషయం. థింక్ ఫినాన్స్ ఒక ఇంటరాక్టివ్ వేలో మాట్లాడతాం. ఎంతమంది ఏదైనా నిలబడుతున్నారు చేయడం చూద్దాం. సరే, ఎంతమందికి ఇలా డబ్బు అంటే ఇష్టం ఒకసారి చేయగలరా? నాకు డబ్బు సంపాదించాలని ఉంది, నాకు లైఫ్ ఎదగాలని ఉంది. ఎవరు ఎంతమంది ఒకసారి ఎదగలుగుతారా చూద్దాం. ఓకే, డబ్బు సంపాదించడం అంటే 8 గంటలు కష్టపడడం, 10 అవర్స్ కష్టపడడం, లేదా కూడా కష్టపడడం మీద కాదు. సో ఇంకా డీప్గా థింక్ ఫైనాన్స్కి లేదంటే క్లబ్ ఏంటి చెప్పేటప్పుడు నేను ఒక డేటా చూపిస్తాను, దాని గురించి ఒకసారి చేద్దాం. సో ఈ డేటా చూసారు కదా, దీంట్లో మన ఇండియా ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉందో ఒకసారి చెప్పగలుగుతారా? ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉంది? దాని కింద ఉన్న కంపెనీ, దాని కింద ఉన్న కంట్రీ ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉంది? అదే 6th ప్లేస్లో ఉన్న కంట్రీ పేరేంటి? మనది డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీయా డెవలప్డ్ కంట్రీయా? డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీ అయితే యూకే ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉందండి? 6th ప్లేస్. యూకే ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉంది? అది ఏ కంట్రీ? డెవలప్డా డెవలపింగ్? అంటే మనం దానికంటే పాస్ చేసామా? మన లైఫ్ స్టైల్ అంత లగ్జరీగా ఉందా? ఇప్పుడు డేటా బట్టి చూస్తే ఇండియా అనేది 5th ప్లేస్లో ఉంది, లేదా యునైటెడ్ కింగ్డమ్ చూస్తే 6th ప్లేస్లో ఉంది. సో అంటే డేటా పరంగా మనం అంత లగ్జరీస్గా బతుకుతున్నాం. సో ఇది డెవలప్డ్ కంట్రీకి డెవలప్డ్ కంట్రీకి ఉన్న యూకే అలా ఉంటే మన ఇండియా అలా ఉంది. సో ద మెయిన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూపించిన టేబుల్ కానీ లిస్ట్ కానీ ఏంటంటే జీడిపి అంటే గ్రాస్ డొమెస్టిక్ ప్రోడక్ట్. తెలుసు కదా, ఎంతమంది జీడిపి తెలుసు చేయగలరా? అంటే ఆ కంట్రీలో ఉన్న జరుగుతున్న ఎక్స్పోర్ట్స్ కానీ ఇంపోర్ట్స్ కానీ ఉన్న వాటిని తెలిపే పర్సెంటేజ్ జీడిపి. అర్థమైందా? అందరికి అర్థమైందా ఒకసారి? సో జీడిపి అంటుంది, మనకి జీడిపి ఒకటే పెరుగుతుంది కానీ పర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్కమ్ పెరగదు. ఏమన్నాము? పర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్కమ్ అంటున్నాం, ఏమో అంటున్నాం, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదంటే పర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్కమ్ అంటే ఏం లేదు, మన మొత్తం కంట్రీలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు అంటే ఓవరాల్ ఎంతమంది పాపులేషన్ ఉన్నారో వారికి యాన్యువల్గా యావరేజ్ ఎంత అమౌంట్ వస్తుంది, ఎంత అమౌంట్ వాళ్ళు ఎర్న్ చేస్తున్నారు అనేది రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేది. సో మనకు ఒకసారి జీడిపి మొత్తం చూసుకుంటే అన్ని రకాలు చూసుకుంటే బాగానే ఉంది. ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 36, 34, 2 టాప్ 10లో చూసుకున్నాం. మనకి ఎంత ఉందండి? 2.85. 2.85 అంటే దాన్ని మన ఇండియన్లో కరెన్సీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటే నియర్లీ 2 lakhs. అంటే ఒక మనిషి పర్ ఇయర్ 2 lakhs ఎర్న్ చేస్తున్నాడు. 2 lakhs సరిపోదంటారా? 2 lakhs. ఇప్పుడు జనరేషన్కి 2 lakhs పర్ ఇయర్, మంత్ కాదు, ఇయర్ సరిపోతారా? సో ఇది ఎందుకు వస్తుంది, ఇలా ఎందుకు వస్తుంది అని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్. ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ ఎంత మనకు తెలిసి ఒకసారి చేయగలరు? ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ తెలీదా? ఏం లేదు, మన దాంట్లో ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ కొన్ని పర్సెంటేజ్ ఉంటుంది. కరెన్సీ అమౌంట్ తగ్గింది. మామూలుగా ఇండియాకి 6-7% ఉంటుంది. 6-7 ఉంటుంది. మన ఫ్యాషన్ అంత స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత కలుపుకున్నా 2% ఉంటుంది. అంటే 8-9% ఉంటుంది. 8-9% నుంచి ఓవరాల్ 10 years ఉంటుంది. నేను పర్ ఇయర్ నేను 1 crore సంపాదిస్తున్నానంటే 10% లూజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ అంటే అదే, నీ యొక్క డబ్బు వాల్యూని ఎంత కోల్పోతున్నామో చూపించడానికి. నేను సింపుల్ డబ్బులో చెప్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను పర్ ఇయర్ 1 crore రూపాయలు సంపాదిస్తున్నాను అంటే ఎంత అమౌంట్ లాస్ అవుతాను? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs అనేది చిన్న మాట చెప్పండి. నువ్వు అదే చెప్తున్నా, 8 hours కష్టపడుతున్నావు, మరి మంత్ అంతా కష్టపడి మొత్తం ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? వచ్చే ఇయర్కి ఆ యొక్క డబ్బు వాల్యూ అదే కోల్పోతుంది. ఇదండి ఆ డబ్బు అందుకే గొప్ప గొప్ప ఆంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్స్ కానీ గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ ఏం చెప్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ డబ్బు కోసం కష్టపడు, మళ్ళీ ఆ డబ్బు అదంతా అదే క్రియేట్ కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు హౌస్ ఓనర్ ఒకసారి కష్టపడి హౌస్ కట్టేస్తాం, అయిన తర్వాత ఇచ్చేస్తాం, కొడుతూ ఉంటాడు, హాయిగా ఇంకా డబ్బు రావాల్సింది కాబట్టి ఈ వేలో డబ్బు ఏం చేయాలి? వారం బయట ఎంతమంది తెలుసండి? వారం బయట స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ ఆయన ఏం చెప్పాడంటే నువ్వు నిద్రపోయినా కానీ నీ యొక్క డబ్బు ఏం చేసే విధంగా ఉండాలి, అంతే కదా. సో మాది అమౌంట్ని ఏం చేయడం, ఎంత ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఫ్రీడమ్ కావాలని చెప్పడమే ఈ యొక్క థింక్ ఫైనాన్స్గా. ఏది గోల్స్ ఏముంటాయో ఒకసారి చెప్తాము. మోటార్ గోల్స్ ఏంటంటే ఫైనాన్షియల్ మీద అవేర్నెస్ కాదు. ఫైనాన్షియల్ అవేర్నెస్ అంటే ఏంటంటే మన కరోనా వచ్చింది, ఎంతమంది ఫైనాన్షియల్ క్రైసిస్తో బాధపడ్డారు చెప్పండి. కరోనా సీజన్లో ఎంత కష్టపడి ఉంటాం మనం ఫైనాన్స్ డీటెయిల్. సో ఈ ఫైనాన్స్
నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నాను, నేను వస్తున్న అమౌంట్ని బడ్జెటింగ్ చేయొచ్చు. బడ్జెటింగ్ అంటే నీకు వస్తున్న పర్సెంటేజ్లో ఎంత ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయాలి, ఎంత ఖర్చు పెట్టాలి, ఎంత పెట్టుకోవాలని. సో మా యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏంటంటే ఇంటరాక్టివ్ సెషన్స్ పెట్టి క్లాసెస్ నేర్పిస్తాం. ఇంటరాక్టివ్ బయట నుంచి ఆంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్స్ తెప్పించి, ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ తెప్పించి దాని యొక్క ఇంపార్టెన్స్ చెప్తాం. సో దాని యొక్క ఇంపార్టెన్స్ చెప్పించి మీకు అర్థమయ్యే విధంగానే చెప్తాం. సో డబ్బు అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ అర్థమైంది కదా, ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ అర్థమైంది కదా. కరోనా సీజన్లోనే ఎంతోమంది డబ్బులు లేకుండా ఎంతోమంది పోయేటట్టున్నాం. సో అందుకనేసి డబ్బు అంత ముఖ్యం. ఇవన్నీ మేము వచ్చినారంటే మేము ఎలాంటి కాదు కాకుండా ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ గురించి నేర్పిస్తాం. మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్స్ అండ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ గురించి. నేనన్నా మీకు మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్స్ అంటారు, ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ అన్నారు, దాంట్లో డబ్బులు లాస్ చేయడం చాలా మంది చూసినామంటే వన్ థింగ్ నేనేం చెప్తానంటే చేతకాలను లేదు మీరే ఇంత మోపడానికి ఒకసారి వచ్చి దాని గురించి నేర్చుకోవాలి. వచ్చి మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్ అంటే ఏంటి, స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎందుకు ఈక్విటీ ఫండ్ అంత రేట్స్గా ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకు ఈక్విటీలో అంత రైట్ చూసి చాలామంది ఒకేసారి బయట చేస్తారు, సేల్ చేస్తారు. ఇవన్నీ నేర్చుకునేది ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్లో నేర్చుకోవాలి. సో ఈ యొక్క ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ నేను అనేది చెప్తున్నా, ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ని దాటాలి అంటే నీ యొక్క ఇన్కమ్ ఆ ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ తగ్గించి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి. అర్థమైంది ఒకసారి. నీ యొక్క ఎర్నింగ్ ఆ యొక్క ఇన్ఫ్లేషన్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. సో అది ఎక్కడ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ డిపాజిట్, మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్ అండ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్. ఇంకా అన్న కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాం. టైం ఎక్కువ లేదు, అందుకే కంక్లూడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీరందరికీ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ అంటే చాలా ఈగర్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి ఏంటి అని. మీ మనీని ఎలా మీరు దాన్ని వర్క్ చేపించి గ్రో ఎలా చేయించాలనుకున్నారు అంతా మనకు చెప్తాం. బేసిక్స్ చేద్దాం, బేసిక్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Finance Club. Next, I would like to request A Club to come on to the dais.
Good evening, everyone. Now we are representing from GATE Club. Every club has different motives to benefit student community. Now, we GATE Club will discuss about visions, activities, and benefits of joining in this club. The vision is so simple: to intensively care and guide and keep their motive throughout their GATE preparation. And coming to the activities, it includes conducting mock tests, challenges, competition, and also we will give proper study plan for each and every student. Okay, now we'll discuss about benefits of joining in this club. During any competitive exam preparation, we study properly for few days, isn't it? After, due to lack of motivation, we don't study properly. We are familiar with this situation, isn't it? Okay, now I will say how to tackle this problem by joining in this club. It is very simple. Our club provides you competitive environment with different challenges. This makes you to be consistent and spirit throughout your day preparation. Okay, many of you aspire to study in prestigious universities, isn't it? In worldwide top universities, it is everyone's dream. And also some of you may also interested in joining PSUs. I will say that one can achieve this by cracking GATE exam. I also want to say you that I want to give a suggestion. Be undergraduate engineering students, isn't it? We have to write any technical exam because these will drive us into more opportunities.
Just imagine, after a span of time, we are getting and scoring top GATE rank. Come, let's join and bring back our legacy. Thank you. Thank you, GATE Club. Next, I'd like to request Dance Club to make the way of the stage.
Everybody, speaking to everyone, respected directors, sir. Myself, Amishwar, I am from Ebur. Today I am going to represent Dance Club. మీరు ఎంతమంది డాన్సర్స్ ఉన్నారు? మీలో ఎంతమంది డాన్సర్స్ ఉన్నారు? డాన్స్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, డాన్స్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు, డాన్స్ చేయగలరు నమ్మకం ఉన్న వాళ్ళు. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి బెస్ట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అనేది వచ్చింది డాన్స్ క్లబ్ అని. దీని ద్వారా మీకు కొన్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాము. డాన్స్ ఏరోబిక్స్ అనేది. ఏరోబిక్స్ ఇంకొకసారి ఫిట్నెస్ పర్పస్ బాగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. మన మెంటల్ స్ట్రెంత్ బాగా ఫిజికల్లీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది, మెంటల్లీ మనం బాగా కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేయడానికి కానీ బాగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక డ్యాన్స్ గురించి మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే, వెస్టర్న్ డ్యాన్స్. వెస్టర్న్ డ్యాన్స్లో మనకు చాలా కాంపిటీషన్ జరుగుతున్నాయి బయట యూనివర్సిటీస్ అలాగా. ఇప్పుడు మన డ్యాన్సర్స్ అందరూ ఒక గ్రూప్గా ఫామ్ అయ్యి డ్యాన్స్ క్లబ్లో మంచి గ్రూప్గా ఫామ్ అయ్యి ఒక పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అనేది మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు బయట యూనివర్సిటీస్లో కానీ ఎక్కడైనా మనం డ్యాన్స్ కాంపిటీషన్లో ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మన కాలేజ్ తరఫున మన యూనివర్సిటీ తరఫున మనము రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి ఆన్ ద స్పాట్ రెడీగా ఉంటాము. సో కాబట్టి డ్యాన్స్ క్లబ్లో ఎక్కడున్న ప్రతి ఒక్క డ్యాన్సర్ జాయిన్ అవ్వాల్సిందిగా నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మాకు వచ్చిన డ్యాన్స్ అనేది మీరు షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది యాజ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Thank you, Chancellor. Next, I would like to request the last year ECL to come on with the
really respected dignitaries and my dear really respected dignitaries and my dear problem makers and solution creators. So ఈరోజు మేము మన కాలేజ్ యొక్క ఏషియన్ స్టార్ట్అప్ చేయడానికి వచ్చాము. సో స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్‌షిప్ సెల్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్కేఏ. సో అసలు ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? సో మనలో చాలా మంది ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉంటారు, మెకానిక్స్ ఉంటారు, బిజినెస్ ఉంటారు, అలాగే మనలో కూడా ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్స్ ఉంటారు. అయితే ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఆ మనిషిని బయట తీసుకురావడానికి, వాళ్ళకి రిసోర్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడానికి, వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ చేయడానికి ఏం చేయాలో తెలియదు. సో మన కాలేజ్లో తీసుకుంటే హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే థౌసండ్స్ ఆఫ్ లాక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐడియాస్. ఈ ఐడియాస్ అన్నింటినీ డెవలప్ చేసే ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఈసెల్. ఈసెల్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఈసెల్లో వర్క్షాప్స్, హ్యాకథాన్స్, వెబినార్స్, సెమినార్స్, కాంపిటీషన్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఈసెల్ ద్వారా మనకి వస్తుంది. ఈసెల్ ద్వారా మనకి మెంటర్షిప్, గైడెన్స్, నెట్వర్కింగ్, ఫండింగ్ అండ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సపోర్ట్ దొరుకుతుంది. సో మన కాంపిటీషన్ ఎవరు? మన కాంపిటీషన్ సింగిల్గా నడుస్తారు. మనలోనే ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్ని పైకి తీసుకురావాలి. సో అలా వాళ్ళలోనే ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్ని గుర్తించి స్టార్ట్ చేసిన స్టార్ట్అప్సే స్టడీ కాంట్రాక్ట్, రోబోటిక్స్ స్కూల్స్ అండ్ లైఫ్ ఆఫ్ గోల్. ఇవన్నీ మన కాలేజ్ నుంచి వచ్చిన స్టార్ట్అప్స్. సో ఈసెల్ యొక్క విజన్ ఏంటి? సో మీ ఐడియాస్ని మన లైఫ్ని బెటర్గా మార్చేలా చేయడమే ఈసెల్ యొక్క విజన్. ఫర్ దిస్ వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ నాట్ యువర్ మనీ బట్ యువర్ టైం. మీ టైంని ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయండి, ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయండి, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని ఫేస్ చేయండి, సొల్యూషన్స్ డెవలప్ చేయండి. వాటి ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి ఈసెల్ మీకు సపోర్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఫైనలీ టీమ్ ఈసెల్ ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ఆఫ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you. Now, the introduction to all the have been done. And next, so now everyone has the motto and the vision of the club in our college. And I wish students meet the ultimate community, build a strong and greater club from today. Now, standing with the honorable director of the management.
Very good evening, friends. Respected my colleagues, student friends. Today I am very happy. I am seeing lots enthusiasm in the campus. Really, I am very happy to be associated with the inauguration of or revoking of the clubs. And when the final year students, during the appeal time, they approached me and said that, sir, we need to conduct the appeal team differently and also to restart or initiate the clubs. So certainly you might have seen the appeal which was being conducted differently by taking into account of motivational lecture, how to become an entrepreneur and so on. And Today, the initiative has been taken by esports students who are almost outgoing students. They started debating records and they have brought out almost like 15 to 18 clubs which are really needed for the engineering. Whatever the clubs which have been initiated is certainly very much useful to all the students. The way the coordinators have made the presentation, it is a wonderful. Even myself also is interested to join one of the clubs which is required for mental health club. And the students, you have to take it very serious. Inaugurations regularly happens. The reality is something different. I feel our RGAians will not be like others and will carry forward whatever the promises, whatever the objectives which have been made on the dais will be carried forward for the entire course, and it has to be given to your juniors. Right? We should not take back these words. Can you wait for me? See, initially everybody will come and I will do this, that and all. But when it is coming to the reality, we were facing so many problems. On this platform, I assure you that the minimum funds which may be required for continuing the club, we will try to sponsor and we will try to bring for the usage for some of the funds that can be used for the club. So that without money, nothing can happen. It's not so easy to make the things, whatever the things which you are promising here, for which money is required. And at the same time, the finance club has given you the hints. You have to manage the finance, right? So try to make use of this opportunity. All the students should involve and motivate the students. The major lack in RGAT is motivation. See here 150 students are here who are already being motivated and participating. But there are 8,000 students which need motivation. Enthusiastically you have to participate. This institute is yours. This institute has been established only for students, not for staff and all. Because of you, all we are working here, all we are service to all of you. This is your institute and you have to participate enthusiastically and gain from the institute. When it's coming to the institute, certainly the students who are admitted here are coming from village background and with having very marks in your SSC. That you know. The cream of the students are entering here. After entering here, slowly you are losing your enthusiasm. You have to actually participate. This time is very valuable. The teachers are available for you. And if you interact with the teachers, definitely they will guide you. If you don't go to the teachers, teachers will not guide you. Obviously, you are the stakeholders. You have to involve. You have to make them the teachers involved. You have to make them the activities to be happen. You have to make them the direction to work towards different activities. Then only the institute will function and institute will grow. And at this point of time, whatever the inauguration which have been made, whatever the clubs you have established, it should be reflected in our website. You take initiative, somebody might be taking one club may be started for maintenance of your website where whatever the students' activities are happening, it should be reflected. There should be a pop-up on every day. This activity has been happened. The public should know, because always they feel that triple is something different and something differently the newspapers are being projected, which is not the case reality. Reality, we have different wonderful experiences here, but which is not being publicized to the public. It is your responsibility to bring whatever the talent which you are having. The students are very much talented. See the fine arts, art galleries, excellent, excellent. I didn't see this type of galleries and art exhibition. I am seeing all developmental activities here. And I would like to suggest one more. The majority of the students are really facing some difficulties like depression and stress. So some motivational club may be required to take care of the students' stress, depression, and any suicidal tendency that has to be arrested in this campus. Since it is a residential campus and the number of students are large in number and it is co-educated, certainly we have the problem. Sometimes the students may not be in a position to express publicly. It is a responsibility of the students as well as the administration to provide some platform to express their feelings. So you start one club in which you try to identify the senior female faculty who can counsel them so that they can come and they can interact with them and they will come out from their stress and other educational, personal, academic or any other things it can be. So that one more club can be added, which might be useful. My interest is that is one part. Second part is publicity. Publicity is really missing. Whenever I thought you might be conducting this inauguration event in time, but when it is coming here, it is really grand, but which is not being projected outside. Right? So many students are having the talent. This club certainly will bring out their talent and it will be useful to you as well as to the society. And the final students who are leaving, wherever you are, you extend your all support for your juniors. This is the institute which has given you the platform for learning and making your life comfortable outside. Don't forget about this institute and try to contribute either directly or indirectly to your juniors and be in touch with them continuously. And we give the assurance to the juniors that we are available at outside. If you do not get the job, we will take you out and we will provide you the job and we will provide you the opportunity. That much assurance the alumni students should give. Now alumni has become slowly strong and in future we will make it more strong so that already some of the students have been made on application related to the alumni that will be deployed and it will be useful to all of you. I don't want to make much of your time because it is already late and condition here is hot, and I express my sincere thanks to all of you, particularly the students and coordinators who have taken a pain and made this wonderful event. And I formally congratulate this event and I thank you very much for given opportunity. And I wish you all the best and we will review this club activities once in 2 months and we will review this activity once in 2 months, make it serious and we will review these activities regularly and we will monitor and I assure you some participating work for your activity. Thank you one and all.
Thank you for your valuable work. Now we proud to play team request and request to take an oath on behalf of the executive and coordinators.
Yeah, all the students and you just need to faculty and all the members that we will bear the whole responsibility of our respective clubs and will be accountable to all the activities being held within them. We will prioritize the collective development of the RCKT Arcade Valley to global standards, and we will make sure that our clubs operate in such a manner. This evening, we solemnly declare our loyalty and preservedness towards the upliftment of the students of RKV and assume our duties as the coordinators and executives of the club entrusted to us. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much. I request you for this few valuable words.
వాళ్ళంతా స్టేజ్ ఎక్కుతారు ఎక్కుతారు
వెనక్కి తీసుకెళ్ళేసి వీళ్ళందరూ కూర్చో, మీరు కూర్చోండి.
I request everyone in the to make the way of prayer. Thank you, sir. Please don't leave. Students, please don't leave. The last part of the evening, though it is hard, we have to pay. I request all the guests to be key people in the authority of my mood. Thank you. So on this occasion, let us have or let us take oath to do this club activity. We, the custodians of RKV, having been designated as coordinators.
Not like that. So this competitive examination club, which includes everything, like our competitive examination club, which includes everything. Here, let me tell you, so what we did in the past. So I joined in 2011. We trained and guided our civil engineering students only for one competitive examination, that is GATE. So for 2014, 15 and 16 grade, we got very good results. Only able to tell you two results, two points. So one point is we got All India 39th rank and All India 107th rank from civil engineering department. And second point is, so take date to 2015, out of the top 5,000 ranks in India, we got 37 ranks. Out of 5,000, we got 37 ranks from our campus itself, from civil engineering department. And in the aspect of GATE, from our campus, I want to tell you one more achievement. We got All India first rank from mechanical engineering department in GATE. Now, so I want to tell you one thing, like, say, if you prepare for, if you decide to prepare for any competitive examination, you need to have, say, 4 to 5 things. One thing is, the first thing is, you need to have crystal clear goal. So for the last, I have seen, say, 10 to 12 batches, right from the first batch. So students, they have, say, one aspiration, 1 year, next year they will change their aspiration. What happens here? So all their previous efforts will go into vain. So here, once you fix your goal, anything like say software job or say core job or UPSC or anything, so what happens here is, consider there are 10 angles. So you decide your one angle. So now your energies will be concentrated in that angle itself. Next, second thing is, See, it is like, say, you might have heard many students saying that I did a lot of hard work but I did not got the result. It is not about the hard work, it is about the smart work. You need to know what to study and to what extent you have to prepare. So, and finally, you need to have dedication. So, once it is, you have dedication, then, so, మీకు అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు చెప్పాలి అంటే మీరు ప్రపంచాన్ని మర్చిపోవాలి ఒక్కసారి మీరు దాని మీద వర్క్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే. సో యూ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ దీస్ 4 things, దెన్ లైక్ సే యూ కెన్ అచీవ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఈవెన్ దో లైక్ సేమ్ నేను చెప్పేది మీకు కరెక్ట్గా రీచ్ అవుతూ ఉండకపోయిండొచ్చు బికాస్ లైక్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ హియర్. ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ వన్ థింగ్. కన్సిడర్ యూ ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ ఎ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫర్ 2 years or 3 years. So, as you have 4 objectives for your exam in end sem, I am giving you a question which have only 2 objectives. So, you have to select one. Out of that, I can tell you, like say whether your attitude is in the correct direction, correct or not. So, the first thing is, you are going to prepare for a competitive examination for 2 or 3 years. So, will you enjoy preparing for a competitive examination or will you enjoy getting a good result? So what do you enjoy? Option A or option B? So lift your hands who says it is option B. Option B. Option A. So there are many students who are not lifting hands either for option A or B. Okay. See, you will be spending days, months and years together to prepare for a competitive examination. So you have to enjoy your preparation. Result will definitely come. I am not saying this. It is there in Bhagavad Gita. Result is not in your hands but effort is in your hands. So once you keep your effort, once you enjoy your journey, definitely you get the result. Whether it is first time or second time or definitely third time you will get the result. Okay. So, finally, I want to tell you one thing. See, now the problem with the students is, say you are not able to concentrate. So, I am just giving you only 2 things for the next, say, 10 to 15 days. You just think about this. The first thing is, so if you follow these 2 things, I am guaranteeing you on writing, I can guarantee you on writing that 100% you will be successful. Whatever the goal that you keep in your mind. The first thing is, so you have to reduce your mobile screen time to less than 30 minutes. How many of you can do this? You have to reduce your mobile screen time to less than 30 minutes. Okay, so second thing is, you must be able to sit in any asana like Vajrasana or Padmasana for more than 1.5 hours. You just test yourself. If you are able to do these 2 things, you will enjoy your journey of preparing for any exam or anything, and definitely you will get the result. Okay. So finally, I want to tell you one thing. I want to thank our director for giving me an opportunity as the coordinator of competitive examination cell. I am very eager guiding you for any competitive examination of your choice, but I am searching for students who are really interested. Anyway, the next few weeks, so we tried to have a meeting like around say 10 days back, but out of I sent mail for 3,000 students, E1, E2, E3. But only 2 students attended the meeting. So I'll send a mail again. Let's see how many of you are interested. We can have one more meeting and we can discuss our plan of action to guide the students for competitive examination. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now,
ఇనాగ్రేట్ చేసినందుకు ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని, ముఖ్యంగా సునీల్ అన్నకు, సుచిత్రకు
ఇదంతా సునీల్ లేకుంటే ఏ క్లబ్స్ వచ్చేది కాదు, ఈసెల్ వచ్చేది కాదు, ఇక్కడ ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో వచ్చేది కాదు. నేను జస్ట్ ఐడియా ప్రపోజ్ చేస్తుంటాను. బట్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ గ్రౌండ్ వర్క్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సునీలే. వితౌట్ సునీల్ యువర్ క్లబ్. అండ్ అందరికీ చెప్తున్నా డైలీ పంపించుకో. 6 yearsగా నాకు 100 మంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ హీఈస్ బ్రదర్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ కంట్రీ. ఇది మాత్రం నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా చెప్తా, హీఈస్ లైక్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ. డెఫినెట్లీ ఈజ్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ. ఇప్పుడు కాలేజ్లో అతను ఏమైనా అనుకోవచ్చు, బట్ సునీల్ తర్వాతే నాకు ఎవరైనా, సునీల్ తర్వాతే నాకు ఎవరైనా. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు కానీ నేను కాలేజ్లో మిస్ అయితే సునీల్గా మిస్ అవుతాను.
మీరిద్దరు కలుస్తారన్నా.
Hello, my dear junior. I'm sorry, not yet. Sunil is 80% and నేను అందరికీ సోప్ ఏంటో నిజాలు చెప్తాను. అమూల్య, సుచిత్ర, మానస ఖైదీ కంపెనీ. అమూల్య, సుచిత్ర, మానస ఖైదీ కంపెనీ. నాతో పాటు ఆరెంజ్ బ్యాచ్లో ఉన్నది వీళ్ళు మాత్రమే. టీం అంటున్నాం కదా, ఇదే టీం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టీం. ఇంకా వీళ్ళు తప్ప మేము టీం అంటున్నాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టీం. అంతే కదా, అంతే కదా. మీడియం దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టీం. సమూల్య, సుచిత్ర. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
అండ్ మా రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ అయితే ఫుల్ఫిల్ అయిపోయింది అనుకున్నాం. సో చాలామంది చాలా డొమైన్స్లో ప్యాషనెట్గా ఉన్నారు, బట్ దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ కామన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. సో ఆ కామన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అయితే మేము క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం అనుకుంటున్నాం. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. సో యూ కెన్ లర్న్, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ లైక్ ఆపర్చునిటీ అండ్ యూ కెన్ అవార్డ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Thank you so much.
అందరూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు కదా. మా క్లబ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆడున్నారబ్బా. అయిపోయింది.